How to use Valorant Network Troubleshooter. To use Valorant Network Troubleshooter, review these sections. 1. High average ping. Restart your router and / or any network devices. Try switching to a wired connection, if possible. Check ping, via cmd.exe, to other internet sources. Use Troubleshooter to obtain network logs for diagnosing. Reach out to your ISP. Section 2, Low Client FPS. Play Valorant in Windows Clean Boot. Use Valorant's built-in performance. Graphs, path, settings, video stats. Lower graphics quality settings. Disable these subsettings, improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion, and cast shadows. Section 3, low server FPS. You have to check Valorant server status. Section 4, possible network problem, S. Turn on incoming / outgoing packet loss graphs in-game. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection, if possible, again. Enable the network buffering setting. Investigate router diagnostics and configurations, such as firewall settings. Reach out to your ISP. https:// /playvalorant.com/n-a/news /game-update /valorant-game-n-network-instability-basic /?link ID =$1000009086745 Valorant game and network instability basics.